Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot, French onion chicken. Let's get to the ingredients. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, low sodium soy sauce, minced garlic, Italian seasoning, rosemary, thyme, sage, white wine, olive oil, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, shredded mozzarella cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese, sliced white onions, beef broth, and of course, the chicken. You can use chicken breast or boneless chicken thighs. I have washed it and rinsed it several times in cold water. I have a skillet here and I have the stove turned to medium high. Now, this is what we're going to do. I have some flour here and we're going to add some Parmesan cheese to the flour. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. We mix the flour and the Parmesan cheese together. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the chicken and we're going to pat it dry with some paper towel. Then we're going to add some salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, and mix the chicken up with it. And let this sit over here for a minute while we add the oil to the skillet and the butter. And also we're going to add now to it the Italian seasoning to the chicken. And mix this up. The flour and the Parmesan cheese mixture, we're going to take a piece of chicken and dredge it into the flour and the Parmesan cheese. You gotta like coat it well. Then we're going to put it in the pan and let it saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Now we want to make sure we don't crowd the pan too much, so don't put all the chicken in at once. I have about 4 pieces into the pan. Now let's see if it's time to slip them over to the next side. Now we're going to let them cook on this side for about 3 minutes. Then we'll come back and take them out and put the other set in. Now it's time to make the caramel onion. I have the saute pan here still. I have olive oil and butter in the pan. And now we're going to add the onions. I have here rosemary, thyme, and sage. We're going to let this saute up for about 5 minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients. Now it's sauteed up enough. We're going to add the soy sauce. Now it's time to add the beef broth. Now we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes, covered up. Well, let's check and see how the onions are doing. Okay, now it's time to add the minced garlic. Stir that up. And the white wine. Now we're going to cover this up and let it cook for 10 minutes until the wine dries up almost. Let's see if the onion has caramelized. Yes, it is. So now it's time to assemble the French onion chicken. I have a foil pan here that I'm going to use so I can just throw it away for easy cleanup. We're going to take the chicken and we're going to put it in the pan. I see a lot of you viewers have not subscribed to my channel yet. So could you please subscribe, like, and share, and also comment. Just don't view it. Subscribe also. I have the oven set to 380 degrees, and I'm going to put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time for the mozzarella to jump all over the chicken. Here you have it. French onion chicken. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and X. And also check out some of my older videos in the boxes on screen below. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.